Okay, today we're going to be looking at 3 apartments, and I'm going to have a camera, and I'm just going to bring the camera around and show you what they look like. This is in the COVID area of Taipa, part of Macau, and let's get started. Let's get right into it. Chiquinha, chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is apartment number 1. This was a 3-bedroom. It was really large. I was really surprised. It was about 7,500, I believe. And he basically said it was really dirty, and that was why that door was closed. That's like a storage room for the kitchen, I believe. This is one of the bathrooms. And I was actually pretty surprised at this one. I thought it was quite spacious and quite big. And I didn't turn on the light initially on this one, but so the room is kind of small, but that's one of the 3 bedrooms. And I open up the window, and it's not a bad view either. I'll get closer to the views later in the other bedrooms. Now we're coming around into the main bedroom, and lots of storage space, and another bathroom. And it has a bathtub. You can take a bath as well as a shower. And I'm going to stick the camera out the window on this one, and you can see the view. And I was pretty impressed. It was pretty cool. The prices are really low right now because of COVID. Usually they'd be much, much higher for a 3-bedroom especially. Here's another bedroom, lots of cabinet space for clothing, another view outside again, and let's keep on going into the main living room. Oh, the kitchen. The kitchen was kind of a disappointment, but pretty typical for Macau. Kind of small, tiny little kitchens, quite dirty, but it is what it is. Actually, that was probably the worst part of the apartment. Everything else was pretty good. And we're going to come around here, and you got a nice balcony as well. Washing machine, pretty typical. The balconies are used for drying clothes and washing clothes. So okay, that's apartment number 1. And I was kind of impressed. It's a 3-bedroom and quite spacious. And they said the owner isn't around so much, so it's he doesn't really take care of it. But it seemed like, looks like it could be taken care of a lot better. But I think that brought the price down, so I was happy about that. And that's another view back in again. Okay, that's number 1. This is number 2. And this one is a 2-bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but it's kind of cool. And let me see. That one you kind of have to step up over the step. And I think I'm going to put the camera out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that looks real cool. It's like you can put anything you want out there, flower or clothing or whatever, plants. Okay, so that's the main bedroom right there, and I'm gonna go check out the main room, and the kitchen and the main room are right together, so that's kind of cool. I think I'm gonna look out the window again because I can't resist. Very cool. Pretty high up there too. They said that the foreigner who was living here before had lived here for 7 or 8 years, I believe he said. We're going to go into the other bedroom. So that one, I guess he kind of created it into a little study or something like that. So yeah, that's apartment number 2. And yeah, it's a 2-bedroom, kind of much more dense than the other one, but quite nice. I like that little glass thing in the kitchen that separates the kitchen itself from the little dining room, from the little living room. It's kind of compact, nice feeling. So anyways, that's apartment number 2. So there's a bathroom to the left there. All right. Apartment number 3. So this one, that kitchen's a bit bigger than the first kitchen, but it's still kind of the same, you know. Washing machine's right there, nice view. Looks cool. And this one, there's another bedroom. This one has a little bit more closer together than that first one, which was really spread out. Again, nice views. It's kind of cool. That's the main living room. So you got kind of a big living room in this one. Got a little balcony right there too. I like that they have that big fence like that big metal thing. You can bring in the air, and you're quite high up there as well. Yeah, this is kind of typical of Taipa apartments. The 3 that I saw were kind of like this. I liked it. The other side, Yeah, Taipa has kind of a big Manhattan-ish kind of feel. It's basically, Taipa is where all the casinos and all the new buildings are at, and there's quite a few tall buildings, and all three of them we saw were kind of tall as well. Okay, hope you like that one too. That was number 3. Chiquinha,